Hey there, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about an exciting new feature, which is going to be creating your marketing efforts with AI. So, what you're going to do is navigate to this marketing section right here. From here, you can either go to the SMS marketing or to push notification marketing. I encourage you to use both because these are great ways to engage with your customers and to get more orders in your system. Now, the premise of the actual feature is the same for both SMS marketing and push notifications. It really depends on what works better for your market. I will demonstrate you this through the SMS marketing. So what we're going to do is we are going to name the campaign, whatever it is, just name mine test, and then we have this new button here called create with AI. And then it's really simple how you're going to utilize this. First, you choose the model. You either use ChatGPT, which is going to be a lot more creative with its approach. And then you also have Claude, which is going to be a little more on the guardrails, basically. So it's going to be more formal. It really depends on who you're sending the campaign to. And also it depends um, once you experiment how it works for your market. So in this case, I'm going to choose ChatGPT because I, for example, don't know a lot about marketing. So I'm just going to let ChatGPT do its thing. Now, the campaign goal can be four different things. We can either do a promotional offer. So this can be a new deal that you're doing with a local restaurant. This can be a free delivery offer, whatever that is. Then you can do an announcement. This can basically be you telling your customers that there is a new restaurant partner. Then it can be an event reminder. You can set it up to where you have, for example, Wednesday free delivery days, and you want to remind people on Monday night, for example, about it. And then you have re-engagement, and you would filter down your contact search to contact to people that haven't ordered in a while. So in this case, I'm just going to do a promotional offer, and I'm going to leave my target audience as all, but you can also choose specifically for new customers, then for inactive customers, and for VIP customers. So in this case, I'm going to do a all customers, and then I'm going to write what I want ChatGPT to generate for me. So for example, I want to promote a free delivery offer for all delivery orders over $40 on Wednesday. And then you can choose the tone. Do you want it to be professional, casual, urgent, or friendly? I personally like to do either casual or friendly because I think promotional material, if it's too urgent or too kind of formal, it kind of puts people off. So I'm just going to say that I want it to be a casual message. And then the character limit I want for this, for example, is going to be 320 characters because that's going to be two text messages. You can try to play around with 160 characters, but that's a very, very short message. So I always suggest you do 320 character limit to start, or if you want to promote something that's even more important to you, then you can up that limit as well. So now that we have all of this selected, we're just going to press generate text, and this is really only going to generate this text for you. And you can see here we say, hey there, enjoy free delivery on all orders over $40 this Wednesday. Treat yourself to your favorites without the extra charge. Order now to take advantage of this deal. Visit our website to see what's hot. Reply stop to opt out. So you can obviously, like, this will only generate the text. It's not going to send the campaign to anybody until you obviously do something specific. Also, you can utilize these parameters here. So this is like dynamically injected info that you can use. So you can either use first name, you can use last name, email, and you can tell ChatGPT when you're generating this. So for example, I can say here, let's just leave everything the same, and then you say, structure a message by first name and offer free delivery over $40. All right, let's try this one. Also casual tone, and then it's going, you can see here that it says hey, and then it's going to inject this for you. Hey, first name, great news, enjoy free delivery on orders over $40. Treat yourself to something special today. So You can play around with it. We strongly suggest you use this if you're not familiar with marketing, because this can greatly increase your order volume. And then just remember that this character limit, you can add more to it, right? So if I add more characters to this, right? If we go up to 300 and, oh, I thought it was 320. Okay, so it looks like it's anything over 306 characters. There's going to be 2 credits per message sent. From here, once you have a message that makes sense for your market, you are going to go into your context search criteria, and then you can target these customers, right? So you can say last order source is app, right? If they ordered on the app, then you want to send them a text because you know they're going to re-engage more than the people that ordered on the web. This is just an example. This is not set in stone, and you need to kind of learn about your market in order to utilize this to its fullest potential. But this just gives you an idea on how to do this. And then additionally, you can send yourself a test and see that everything looks proper. We really hope this is a valuable addition to your marketing efforts. And remember, this is not just for SMS marketing. This works for push notifications as well. And we hope to hear some feedback from you on this, and we hope it helps you get more orders. If you have any questions, let us know. Have a wonderful day. Bye.